What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and here we go again with a quick episode of some shop action. And today, excuse the noise, but we're working hard here. Today, I'm going to talk about a little project that I got going on, a little 6.0 Powerstroke that we just received from our guys at Asheville Engines. A long block right here that got some upgraded pistons, upgraded cam, and some coated bearings for extra protection. Let's take a look at what we got here. Boom, right there. There we go. This bad boy right here is looking really good. Very nicely cleaned up. Very good work. You can always tell when people really love what they do, man. It just shows in their work. They don't, no words need to be told, no special nothing. The moment you open it up, even in the package, it just looks very well put together. You can tell that the guys out there at Asheville Engines really care about what they're doing. I love it. I'm pretty excited on putting this bad boy together. Let's talk about the parts that I have here in front of me, right there. Let's see what we're gonna be working with today. We got some products here from BulletProof Diesel. Very nice. Let's take a quick look at that right about here. Boom. We have the BulletProof Oil Cooler right here. Some more packaging right here. We have the intake kit. We have a couple harnesses, coolant reservoir, more bulletproof products here, big heavy duty cooler in there, all the hoses that we need, intercooler pipe kit there, and as you can tell, a bunch of Ford factory parts if they're not aftermarket from name brands. That's one of the things that I always like and I always take pride in, is that we do not sacrifice anything here. We always try to use the best products in the market based on our experience to give our clients the best results. And again, everything that we do here is backed by our 1-year unlimited mile warranty. Unless the manufacturer has something different, then we honor their warranty coverages. Thank you guys again. Stay tuned. I'm very excited again to put this bad boy back together and turn this awesome Powerstroke back into its clients' hands and have them enjoy their newly redone engines. Thank you guys. Peace.